Why do 100% of peacocks fan their feathers? Grab your binoculars and let's uncover the secrets behind the world's most glamorous bird. Did you know that only male peacocks are called peacocks? The females are known as peahens, and together they're peafowl. Surprised? Next up, those stunning tail feathers? They're not just for show. During mating season, peacocks fan them out to dazzle and attract peahens. The more vibrant the feathers, the more likely they are to win a mate. But here's the kicker. Peacocks can also shake these feathers to create a rattling sound, warding off predators and rivals. It's like their own built-in alarm system. Nature isn't just beautiful, it's smart. So next time you see a peacock, remember there's more to these birds than meets the eye.